Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to fix charging power on problem on HyperX Cloud Core wireless. Before we start, all we need screwdriver, charger with 5 voltage, also 2 Type-C cable and cutter. First of all, open the left earpiece with the screwdriver. After getting inside, you will see the battery there. You have to cut little bit red and black cable to resurrect the battery. You also need to cut one of your Type-C cable to connect all these cables. For everyone, notice that before you trying to connect all these cables. On the battery, red is the plus, black is the minus. While my master connects these cables, I plugged in with another Type-C cable. So we are powering on, briefing red. Great job to Canon.